Hello students, in this video we will do practical. Okay, this is the lab time. We will do practical. Okay, now read the practical number 1, creating a table and entering the data into it. Okay, so first you have to open MS Word document and insert a table it in with 10 rows and 5 columns. Okay, 10 rows and 5 columns. So first you will open MS Word, okay, now click on the insert option, click on the table option, and how many rows and columns do you want to insert? You can insert it from many methods. Okay, I'm choosing second option, insert table option. Okay, and I'm going to write 5 column and 10 rows. Okay, now press OK button, then 5 column and 10 rows will insert. If I want to move my table, then I will move it with the help of moving handle. If I want to resize, then I can resize my table with sizing handle. Okay, clear? Now second, enter this record: student name, class and section, marks out of 100. Okay, so write down this heading in red color. Okay, home tab, click on the home tab, choose text color red, choose bold, increase the font size 14. Okay, now write down what is to dance name. Okay, now move in second column, write down the heading what class and section. Okay, select it, make it red, make it bold, and make it 14. Next, you can see the next heading is marks out of 100 is common for these 3 columns, first, second and third column. Okay, so in that condition, if you want to make a single heading for multiple columns, you have to use merge cell option. Okay, then first you will select these 3 with the help of shift key. Press shift key and right arrow. Look here, shift key and right arrow key, then it will select. Okay, and after that click on the layout option, choose merge cell option, then you can see it will merge. And after that you can insert heading marks. Okay, Done. Now enter this heading in black color. What? Maths. Okay. English. And next science. Okay, select these three values and click on the bold option, then it will bold, and choose font size 14, then it will be looking bold and big in size. Okay, now so this two rows has created. Now next task is enter the records of the Raman, Daman, Shivam, Pooja, Manoj. I will enter only 5 records because it will take time, and if the video will large, then it will difficult to upload on the YouTube. Okay, so I will start only 5 column or 5 values in this table. You can insert more, okay, at home. So insert, click on the bold option and choose size 14. Raman, Daman, Shivam, Pooja, Manoj, Rajiv, Sanjeev, Sonia. Six A, okay. Copy, paste, paste, okay. This one is B, this one is also B, and last one is C. Okay, and their marks 65, 80, 95, 52, 64, 75, 89 and 78. English marks 81, 72, 56, 64, 79, 88, 59, 86. And science marks 88, 81, 82, 80, 84, 73, 75, 68. I have entered all the records. Okay, make it bold and in same size, then select all the values, click on bold option and choose size 14. Okay, look. Now next, make the heading bold and apply any font that you like. Okay, insert a row after CMOM records and enter data as shown below in it. Means you have to insert a new records after CMOM. Where? After CM. So first you will select that row. Okay, after that you will click on the layout option and insert below option, because in a question insert row after CM records. After CM matlab you will insert a new row below CM. Okay, and here you will enter a new records. What? Vimal. And marks class 6D, marks 87, 92 and 85. Done. Next, delete the last row in the table. Point number 5. Delete the last row in the table. Okay, select last row, click on the delete option, delete rows. Look, the last value Sonia has deleted. Now the next point is sixth one. Add a border around the table and add a table style to it. Okay, so first you will click on the move handle. You can see move handle, then your all values of the table will select. After that click on the design option and you can see a table styles. Where you will click, that table will applied. Okay, when you click here, then the more option of the table style will open and you can choose any table style. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, click here. Look, so you can see a table style is added. Okay, now apply the border. Click on the move handle and look here. Already all border is applied, so there is no need to apply all border. Okay, when you applied it, then the look is different and it is not looking good, so you will remove it. Okay, you will remove it. Okay, that one is looking good. Okay, now next one, merge the first cell in 2 rows. Merge the first cell in 2 rows with cell in 1. Similarly, merge the second cell in 2 rows with the second cell in row 1. Okay, now understand the question again. Merge the first cell. That one is first cell of which row? Merge the first cell in row 2. That is row 2. That is the row 2. Okay, row 2 in first cell, and second is the cell in row 1. Row 1 means you have to merge it this one with row 1, this one. Okay, so first click here, press shift key and up arrow key, then both will select, and after that click on the which option, layout option, and click on the merge cell, so it will be merged. Okay, now second, similarly merge the second cell in the row number 2 with the second cell in row number 1, means second cell of row number 2 with second cell in row number 1. So first select this one, click arrow key, shift key, and press up arrow key. Okay, after that click on the merge cell option, then it will be merged. Okay, so point number 7 has done, and last one, save the file and close Word. So last task is save your file. Click on the save option, write down the student mark sheet where you want to save. Choose, I want to save this one in documents. Okay, and now click on the save option, then it will be save and close it, then it will close. Okay, any confusion? Again, if you want to open, then click here, okay, in document option, and see student mark sheet. Click on it, then your file will open. Got it? So this practical you will do at home, and there's any problem, you are free to ask. Okay, have a good day.